This one is a moving sale. There's supposed to be furniture at it. And today's the first day, and it's been on for 3 hours, and it's on tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. And window back down. Right there. Isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go see.
Battery check. We're good.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Some of these.
Pretty clean.
Yeah. 30.
We won't get much more than that for it.
No, I don't want to haul it around for another 10,
For $5
bucks.
yeah.
They're cute. Thank you cards.
I'm gonna go with these things. Sure. $3. Sure.
Oh yeah, fan 2 is right on.
Is the broom for sale? No. Oh,
Wonder how much that is. I've got his autograph.
Free.
for the broom. Everybody needs $2.
What? No.
It was in the free box. That's where it was. This stuff's free.
Yeah, that's important, especially for the elm trees.
Do you want these?
No. I'm good. Is this really free? It was.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I had it and then I just help yourself.
I will. I've got a bunch of their autographs in my basement.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I think I've got his autograph on at least a card. But yeah, that's
I know,
cool.
Frank was, yeah, I had a bunch of them and like.
So are you selling all those for $5?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll grab those too for my buddy Ben. I'm not even gonna ask him. He's just
What's
gonna
that?
hang those. Those 4, $5 for all 4 of them.
Well, that's a
So
good,
$1.25.
good price.
Yeah. Ah,
It's not close though. It's
I
cute
thought that other
though.
one you grabbed was gonna be silver.
No. It's just fashion jewelry. Nice though. Those might be real. I think they might be. Rub them and tell me.
Oh yeah.
They were marked family.
Yep, those are real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got them. I'll send.
Just sent it straight to Trish. They mom said,
Jasmine.
I found a cute picture of her in a little dance outfit.
I don't know if you're gonna like that.
It's a little bit musky.
Yeah.
Of an undertone, like a musk.
Coach. Oh, that's. I think you might like that one.
Yeah,
You like that one?
not too bad.
Okay.
Grab those
Oh yeah, right.
pictures for Ben.
Okay.
Can you hold that?
Okay. And then, oh no, and I have these earrings too.
Okay, well, 10's fine.
Okay.
Do you want like a Ziploc for those?
If you got one kicking around, thank you. Because yeah, for sure I'll be like, didn't I buy earrings? I wonder where they are. Yeah, just forget it.
All New York?
I'm not entirely sure. I think so.
Yeah.
All New York.
Thank you.
It's for my buddy.
Oh yeah.
He's got a house and he's got nothing up on the walls. And so the last month we've been buying him art. And one of the things we got him was a big, huge print of the Brooklyn Bridge in New York. So the fact that these are also New York, I thought these could go around.
And he has a new
around the
house,
same-
so it's more modern, you know. So
yeah,
yeah,
to fill those bare walls up with something.
yeah. This is pretty.
And
I won't know who you're talking
It's silver.
Oh,
I think I'll probably get that.
parents.
I didn't see it till now.
yeah.
Oh, really?
It's marked at the top there.
they don't know how to drive a nail in the wall.
I found a bracelet too.
You can just take that as well. Just
Are you sure? Oh, thank you.
That's generous of you.
Yeah.
thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Take care. Yeah.
Don't melt.
Yeah. Anything in these boxes here? They're just boxes. Oh no. There's no.
Okay.
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 Ready?
Yep.
Try and find that. Where did I put that watch? No, there it is. She's right though. Yeah, if it falls to the bottom of your purse, like just forget you
Just
ever
gone forever.
forget you bought it because
Yeah.
you're never finding it again.
Yeah.
Don't put that in there.
You'll find it in like 5 years.
Yeah. Be like, oh,
And you're searching for something else.
yes.
Okay.